In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a formula to calculate the number of days in Salesforce. We'll walk through each step, ensuring you have a clear understanding of the process. So let's get started without further ado. First off, you'll want to log into your Salesforce account and head over to the Report Builder. The Report Builder is your go-to tool for customizing reports in Salesforce, offering a range of options to refine and personalize your data display. Once you're in, we can start crafting a formula that will help you calculate the number of days between two dates. The next step is to navigate to the column options. This is where you can alter the columns that are visible in your report, and it's crucial for setting up our formula. With column options open, you'll see the choices available for your current report. What we're focusing on is adding a row-level formula. Select Add Row-Level Formula. These formulas allow you to create calculations based on the data in a row, which is exactly what we need for our day counting task. Now, in the provided field, type number of days. This is essentially the label, so although it's simple, it'll help you identify your formula easily in the report layout. It's important at this stage to consider the decimal points. Ensure your data is as precise as necessary by selecting the appropriate number of decimal places. In our case, setting it to 0 makes sense since we're counting whole days. Click ZO to confirm this choice. Next, let's navigate the formula input. Start by typing date into the search bar. This search helps you locate the specific date field you need, streamlining your setup process. Once you find the right date field, you'll want to select it. This selection provides the foundation for your date-based calculation. After choosing your date field, insert it into your formula. You do this by clicking Insert, which automatically places the field into your formula expression area. Now, type a dash. This part is vital as it sets up a subtraction operation, key to calculating the number of days between dates. Following this, it's time to create your formula. Click Create to commit your setup. This action finalizes your formula. Think of it as saving your work. Then, click Insert again, ensuring all elements of your formula are correctly populated in your expression. Before moving forward, you'll want to validate that your formula functions correctly. Do this by clicking Validate. It's a way to catch errors before they become issues. Once everything checks out, you're ready to apply your work. Simply click Apply, and your new day counting formula becomes active in your report. And there you have it, a straightforward approach to crafting a number of days formula in Salesforce. By following these steps, you can efficiently calculate the time between dates, adding valuable insights to your data reports. Thanks for watching, and feel free to dive deeper into Salesforce's capabilities to enhance your reporting further.